Hello, I wanted to paint loose watercolor roses for some time now. These roses look fabulous and they don't need a pencil drawing. So here we go. Of course, avoid doing that, but I'm not worried as I'd be taking care of this very shortly. Pick some color, add enough water and start making C shapes. Use a slightly larger brush for the outer petals and maybe add a bit of a yellow to these, and towards the end keep adding a lot of water and less of pigment. Hi, my name is Madhura and I hope you enjoy the exercise of painting loose watercolor roses. You can create cards for your friends and family. You can pin this painting on your softboard or just hang it on a wall, it'll look pretty. Here I'm defining the outer petals a little by the thin brush. Loose painting is about capturing an impression or a sense of a scene rather than painting a photographic representation. Once you get hold of this idea, you will then let go of your expectations of perfection and focus on the feelings or the mood. We will use the same technique for the second flower. Create C shapes with a thin brush, then change your brush and mix in some yellow. Make a few petals by gently applying some pressure for the outer petals. You'll just create a lovely shape by doing that. You can practice a little and then go on adding a lot of water to your brush. The way to achieve loose or fluid look in a watercolor painting is to definitely add more water or use more fluid. Painting wet on wet blurs the lines and mixes the colors extremely well. This is exactly what you want in a loose painting. If you let the paint dry before applying another wash, you end up with hard edges. You might want to avoid this. Now let's try another rose. Now about that smudge. I'm simply going to add a leaf at the exact same spot and it will be gone. Just like that. Look at the spaces that you've created or you have left in your painting after you've created the roses and then add a few leaves there. Extremely easy. These can be called as let's say S shapes. Add a few buds if you like, make it a little more interesting. In fact, one can create a nice beautiful pattern with these loose roses. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.